please watch to the end so you can see how fucking cute this install was. But let's go ahead and bleach these knots first. You know, make sure your consistency is thick. You don't want your shit dripping and running because it's going to run through the lace and it is going to over bleach them. But once you're done bleaching, you see me bleaching right here, you're going to want to wash it with some purple shampoo to make sure we're not looking too brassy. This next clip, I'm fucked up. I'm fucked all the way up. This is a whole end of the day. Like, I started in the morning, went out, you know, came back, started drinking, and now I'm fucked up. But we using the same wig cap I just had on. We just bald capping it this time because this unit has color. I just want to make sure that it does look like scalp. You know what I mean? So, yeah. But I plucked off camera. Y'all, I plucked while I was fucked up. Bitch, I plucked the hell out of that hole. Like, it got so many little holes in the lace. Like, I'm so sorry. But it still came out good as fuck. But yeah, so we're about to lay the lace. We're using Ebon adhesive spray. Ebon, whatever the fuck. But this is the black bottle, so it's Supreme Hold. But yeah, after we cut the lace, you know, it sometimes has a little white cast on it. So we just fix it with the band. I'm going to sleep though, because I'm tired as fuck. Look at how tired I look. Hold on. Just, Next morning, she feeling rejuvenated. She looking fresh and clean and moisturized. And the lace is laid. The lace is laid. I didn't tie the elastic band too tight overnight because I didn't want to cut off my circulation. But yeah, so y'all know I leave my sideburns out, so we want to take out the hairs for that. We're gonna go ahead and cut. I curled the hairs off camera, so bam, they curled. We use some mousse to go ahead and fleek the edge. It's all about the wrist movement. Honestly, edges is kind of hard. Like, I'm just now starting to kind of get it down pat, but every time it's different, really. We do the same with the sideburn. Just try to blend it in as much as possible. But yeah, we're gonna do a little curl because this is a body wave unit. I want y'all to see how well it takes the curls. I fixed the curls in the front because I didn't do them too good, but this is me showing y'all how to curl. If you're not a visual learner, I don't know, cause what? But yeah, and that's the curl. You know, you just wrap it around that finger and bezow. Now we do the whole head, and look at her, curly Shirley. The brush out gave though. Y'all see the little swoop-de-doo-dee? I just know I look yum. Crumb. Not even crumb, bitch. This is more than a crumb. This is a whole meal. Wow, 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 wow. Look at she. Ate that up.